time to get started on replacing the coolant reservoir. One of the first things we need to do is open this. You want to be careful. It might be under pressure. Open it up and away from yourself. Set this aside. If your vehicle has a plastic shield, just remove it. Ours doesn't, so easy access. Right here's the petcock, and it has a drain. That's where the coolant should come out of. It may or may not. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses. Go ahead and remove this petcock. Now that we've finished draining the coolant, I'm going to remove this clamp right here. Pull that hose off of there. Next, you're going to remove your mounting bolts with a 10mm. Now that that's off, you're going to get your power steering reservoir off of here. It's going to push on this little tab. This should slide up. At this point, you can grab this. We have one more hose right there. There it is, friends. Time for the install. Let's get this cap off of here. Got our hose. Make sure you get that on there. Try to line up the clamp with its original position on the hose. Give that a tug. Slide this down in here. That looks pretty great. Grab your power steering. Slide that down. We're going to grab our mounting bolts. Snug them up. Grab this hose. Get it reconnected. Set that clamp exactly where you got it from. One of the best ways to fill a cooling system is by using vacuum, so that's what I'm going to do. Set on here, close that one. We're going to watch this dial and make sure it goes all the way up and around past that 25 mark. Now I'm just going to let this sit for a minute and make sure the pressure doesn't drop. If it drops, we know we have a leak somewhere. So now we're just going to take the fill hose, go right in here. We're going to open this up. It's going to draw in the coolant using vacuum. You want to make sure that you don't run out of coolant inside your bucket when you're filling. They also have these funnel kits for easy filling. Something like that works great even if you're not filling, because once you run the vehicle, there's a possibility that it's going to burp up some fluid and or air, and it's nice to have some place for that to go besides the ground. Okay, let's start the vehicle. You want to make sure you set your temperature all the way on high, as hot as it can be. That should be good. Okay, so we had the vehicle running for quite a while. We waited for the cooling fans to turn on. We definitely heard them come on. They were nice and loud. We come over here, we can see the fluid's a little bit high. You would use something as basic as this. It's like a little turkey baster. You can suck out any coolant that you have that's extra in there. Make sure you dispose of it properly. Once you have it to the proper level, you just take this, put your cover on there, take it for a road test.